Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. And on this channel, I offer up tips on interior design, DIY home renovation projects, and gardening. And on today's video, we'll take a look at how to decorate your small bathroom. Yes, even though your bathroom is small, you can make it feel modern and luxurious and spa-like. We'll look at 7 elements in your small bathroom that will help you design the bathroom of your dreams. You're gonna love this video, I promise. But first, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more content like this. Now, on to the video. Small bathroom tip number 1, lighting. When you walk into your bathroom, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to flip that switch. And when the light turns on, make those light fixtures make a statement. So let's talk about your vanity light fixture first. Gone are the lighting strips. If you have these in your bathroom, it's time to upgrade. Look for vanity light fixtures that fit your design style. Is your home traditional, modern, or contemporary? Do you know your interior design style? Well, if you don't, check out my video on finding your interior design style. I'll link it in the description box below. Now, if you don't want to go with a vanity light fixture, wall sconces are very popular now too. Instead of placing lighting above, people are opting for a soft glow of lighting on the sides of the mirror. Depending on the light fixture, this will definitely help with the shadows and glares that tend to shine down from above. What's also popular is using pendant lightings in the bathrooms. The lights drop down from the ceiling, creating a dramatic architectural effect. Lastly, don't forget to add a few recessed lights in your bathroom. Lighting just around the sink will not cut it. You should also have lights over your shower, your tub, and your toilet. You don't want these areas living in the shadows. You want to see all of those beautifully designed finishes, as well as be able to move about the space safely. Element number 2, flooring. So first we went up with the lighting, but now we're heading down to the floor. And here is my public service announcement again for today. If you have carpeting in your bathroom, please run to the nearest flooring store because it is time for you to upgrade. Tile flooring is the natural choice for your bathroom. It's water resistant, stylish, and long lasting. Porcelain tile is an excellent option for full bathrooms with a lot of water use. It's dense and less porous and offers excellent stain and water resistance. Now, what's growing in popularity is luxury vinyl tile. It also offers a high level of water, stain, and scratch resistance. It's easy to install and will last a long time as well. Your small bathroom design options are growing, so explore before you choose. Element number 3, wall treatments. Most small bathroom walls are usually covered with tile or paint or even wallpaper. As designers, we're taught to cover the wet walls with tile. Shower walls are obvious, but this also includes the walls behind the sink and the toilet areas. Now in your shower, use a field tile that covers most of the walls and then add an accent tile to create additional interest. You have many options here. Adding a complementing paint color is also important. The paint color should pull out all of the highlights in your tile. Wallpaper is also nice to use on non-wet walls. It can be used to highlight your field tiles as well. In a powder room, aka a half bath, you can go with bold wallpaper and cover the entire bathroom, or perhaps just one wall. Your wall treatments will bring the wow factor into your bathroom, so choose wisely. Small bathroom element number 4, the bathroom sink. First up is the pedestal sink. These have been used in small bathrooms for many, many years. They've always worked, but honestly, they're a little dated. Instead, try a small freestanding vanity with an open base. This is more of an updated version of the pedestal sink. In a tiny powder room, wall-mounted vanities are great space-saving solutions as well. If you have more space, a freestanding vanity with storage below is also nice. Remember, a bathroom can always benefit from having more storage. Element number 5, showers and tubs. In most small bathrooms, you'll see the shower and tub combination, or just a shower. For the tub, there are several options. You can use a small freestanding tub. This is a contemporary designer look. Or you can use a typical tub, but find one that's deep, so this way you can feel more luxurious in your small space. If you prefer to only have a shower, this will help make the small space feel bigger. You can separate the shower area by using a glass partition. Sometimes people forego a glass partition to create what is called a wet bathroom. What this means is the bathroom finishes can all get wet, and the space can act as one large shower room. This is certainly a unique approach that tends to work best in small bathrooms. Small bathroom element 6, mirrors. In a small bathroom, you typically don't have room to hang more than one mirror over the sink. So here is your opportunity to make a bold statement with your mirror choice. A uniquely shaped mirror will definitely stand out in a small bathroom. There are so many to choose from these days. Or how about a mirror that is lit from behind? This style helps to create a nice mood in the bathroom as well. Don't forget the mirror that covers the entire back wall. They definitely help make a small bathroom feel larger. And small bathroom element number 7, toilets. Now, we can't forget about the toilet. I mean, there's really nothing exciting about a toilet, but there are options. Toilets that are flush against the wall are certainly more stylish, but of course you can go with a standard toilet configuration. The only thing is I would suggest avoiding the elongated toilet in your small bathroom. You don't need the toilet of all things to take up too much space in that small space. Bonus time! Let's talk decorative elements. Okay, if you have space, adding shelving over the toilet area or even artwork over the toilet area is a nice finishing touch. But do remember to keep these items simple and scaled appropriately. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, bye.